everyone, welcome to this demonstration of Odoo POS Salesperson and Cashier Management application by BrowseInfo. So basically with help of this application you can easily assign the salespersons or the cashiers to the POS orders in Odoo. This app auto sets the salesperson in order lines using the multi-session support, and it also give you the flexibility to add, update, or remove the cashiers directly from the POS screen and view detailed POS cashier analysis reports. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database and I'm just going to the point of sale module, and now under the configuration I'm just going to the settings. I'm selecting the point of sale, and here you can find the one configuration for the POS salesperson configuration, and I have already selected the persons for which I have to give the access to the cashier. So after that you also have to uh, allow the login with the employees and how to select the employees, and I'm just going to save it. Now I'm just going to open the register. So here you can see while I'm just opening the register, it will ask for the PIN. So now I have to select the employee. So here I'm selecting the Michelle admin, and here I have to add the password for the same. So you can see our screen is open now, and we can log in with the Michelle admin, and now I'm just selecting the products. So here you can see for our recent order we have selected the Michelle admin as our cashier. So if I just want to remove this cashier, I just have to click on this icon and you can see it is removed. And if I want to change the cashier for the order, so I just have to select from it, and I'm just going to add another product. So here you can see we have successfully changed the cashier for the another products. And for the employees, if you want to add the PIN, so for that you have to navigate to the employees application, and here I'm just going to select the Michelle admin. Now I'm just moving with the point of sale, and under the orders we can see our recently made order, and here you can see the product wise salesperson we have added for the order. So if you want to analyze your POS orders, for that you have to navigate to the point of sale. Under the reporting, you just have to move with the orders. You can see here the order analysis, and I'm just going with the pivot table view. And here you just have to click on this icon, and under this you can find one option for the POS cashier. So accordingly you will find this analysis report. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the BrowseInfo's YouTube channel for more Odoo applications, demos, and the updates.